The Institute of Supplies Management, in partnership with the World Bank, has officially launched an advanced training program in construction, procurement, and consultancy services. KISM Chief Executive Officer Kenneth Matiba said that the program aims to strengthen peer-to-peer learning, enabling professionals across the region to share experiences and best practices in the sector.
The ecosystem for procurement and supply chain professionals keep on evolving. And most supply chain professionals are not just made for the local industry. They are also made for the international market. And therefore, we, from time to time, come up with programs and courses that we put forward in the interest of equipping supply chain professionals with the requisite modern technology. For instance, we run a program on artificial intelligence. We are training supply chain professionals on issues of blockchain technology, and we organize workshops and conferences on technology where we are able to train our professionals as is required of them in the interest of not just delivering on their work efficiently and effectively, but also in the interest of ensuring that they can be able to work anywhere in the world where technology that is required of them is the technology that they have learned.
Well, that story right there does it for Business at One, but there's a lot of Carabao action to be